That growl in your stomach right now? You're not hungry. A cleaning crew just clocked in. It has a name doctors actually use, borborygmi. Roughly every 90 minutes that your gut sits empty, a wave switches on. Scientists literally call it the housekeeper, the migrating motor complex. It sweeps out leftover food, debris, and stray bacteria you never digested. Here's the twist. The second you eat, the cleaning stops dead. So constant snacking never lets the janitor finish, and a stalled crew is linked to bacterial overgrowth in your gut. So that growl isn't asking for food, it's the crew telling you to stay out of their way.